Between school, work, and other daily activities, getting breakfast on the table is difficult. That is why I love this French toast recipe. It is quick, so easy to make, and it definitely hits the spot. Let's get cooking so you can enjoy a warm, delicious breakfast in no time. We're gonna start by cracking our eggs into a bowl. Next, pour in our milk and heavy cream to create our rich custard base. Now to add a splash of vanilla for that sweet, warm flavor. Give it a good whisk, then toss in your sugar to sweeten things up. Add just a pinch of salt. It helps balance out all that sweetness. Alright, let's start dunking the bread. A glass pie dish works perfectly for this step. Let them soak up all that goodness. That's where the magic happens. Time to fry these bad boys. Begin by melting some butter with a splash of olive oil. Toss in your French toast and cook them until both sides are golden brown. Mornings get hectic, and easy breakfasts make all the difference. If this recipe helped lighten your load, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Do you want to take even more stress off your plate this week? Click the link in the description. I put every ingredient and tool in one spot so you can get everything you need in minutes.